Hi, this is Kevin from Reisch Roofing doing a repair attempt at 31 Jarman, Bridgewater, New Jersey for Allstate. There is wind damage throughout the roof. Got it on almost all the elevations. For the sake of this repair attempt is because of the repairability. Shingle, and those are the shingles above it. There is no damage to those shingles prior to the repair. And here we go. Let's get this standing up. It is 95 degrees today, so the shingle should be very malleable for this repair. You see it? Okay. So we have to affect 2 rows above the shingle because the nail extends into these shingles. So for us to take it out, the only way is to affect both rows. The shingle extends up to here, which is where the other nail is. So if I tried to take it out now, it wouldn't come out because those nails have to come out as well. Oh man, the roof is really hot. Whew. Whew. Oh. So that's why I don't turn this off. So this is before we have done the actual install of the nails. This is just taking the old nails out. The damage that has been created from there You can see above, there's creases already forming. Additionally, if you look underneath the shingles, you can see that the transference from the top shingle beneath is there, which means that these shingles won't be able to reseal back down after the repair is done. But let me finish. Oh my goodness, I grabbed the wrong shingle. I grabbed the wrong shingle. I will be right back. I got the right shingle. Baking up here. Oh my goodness, it's hot out here. Whew. One more now. So, as you can see, you got a crease here, 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 starting of one here, starting with one right there, starting of one right here. In my professional opinion, this roof can't be repaired without causing further damage, especially on a hot day like this. It should be much easier to repair now than if it was colder out. In order to change one shingle, you have to affect the rows above it. And it causes a domino effect, because once you do those and those above it has to get damaged and damaged, so on and so forth. And then this roof ties into this roof. This roof has damage also. The underlayment has to snap over this hip. So then we would have to open up this side of the ridge, but there's also damage above these pipes as well, over there. The underlayment would have to snap over this ridge. We also have damage on the back side here. Let's see if I can find one. We got one right here. There's spread out through here. And then, so this slope would have to be replaced, which would then eat into this slope, which is also damage right here. Damage on this slope as well. So based on the amount of damage on this roof, I do not think this roof can be repaired. It's full replacement. Thank you.